Everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are ever wanted to sell custom products online, print on demand is a great way to start your own business with minimal upfront costs. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up and sell print on demand products on Amazon, especially using Amazon's Mars by Amazon program. Let's get started. The first step is selling print on demand products on Amazon is to sign up for the Mars by Amazon program. This is Amazon POD platform and it allows you to create and sell custom designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. So search Mars by Amazon. Click on first link. To get started, visit the Mars by Amazon website and click request invitation. You will need to fill out an application that asks for basic information about you and your business. Once you are approved, you will have access to the Mars by Amazon dashboard where you can upload your designs and start selling. Now that you are signed up, it's time to create your designs. You will need custom add artwork to put on the products you plan to sell. Popular print on demand products on Amazon include t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, and even phone cases and tote bags. If you are a designer, you can create your own artwork using design tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or even free tools like Canva. Make sure your design is high quality and fits within the guidelines set by Mars by Amazon. Amazon typically asks for high resolution images in PNG format with transparent background for the best result. Check their specific image size requirements for each product to ensure it fits. Once your design is ready, it's time to upload it to Mars by Amazon. To do this, log into your Mars by Amazon account or click on Create in the dashboard. From there, you'll choose the type of product you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell a t-shirt, select that option and then upload your design file. After uploading, you will need to position your design on the product. Mars by Amazon gives you a preview tool so you can adjust your design to make sure it looks great on the chart or other product you are selling. After uploading your design, you will need to set your product's price. When selling print-on-demand products on Amazon, your price must be competitive, but also take into account the production costs and the royalty you want to earn per sale. Mars by Amazon automatically suggests a price for each product, but you can adjust it. Keep in mind that the royalty you earn is the difference between the base cost and the price you set. The higher price, the higher the royalty, but you will also want to stay competitive. For example, a t-shirt might have a base cost of $30 and you could sell it for $19 or $20, earning around $6 in royalty per sale. Now it's time to optimize your listing so customers can find your product. You will need to add a product title, description, and keywords. This is a crucial step because it helps your product show up in Amazon search result. For the title, make it clear and concise. Include the product type, design style, and any keywords that customers might use to find your product. For example, funny cat lover t-shirt, gift for cat mom would be a good title for a t-shirt with a cat related design. Once your product is live, it's time to start promoting. Amazon does a lot of the heavy lifting in terms of traffic, but you can also promote your products through social media platforms, blogs, or even paid ads. Finally, once your are live, keep an eye on your sales and performance. Mars by Amazon provides analytics that shows how many products you have sold, whose designs are popular, and how much you are earning.